Hello, this is Dennis. I'm the service manager here at Midtown Honda. Today we're going to be talking about your transmission fluid. When does it need to be changed? So, transmission fluids. What are they? Why do they matter? There are several reasons why they matter, and let me tell you why. Transmission fluid is the stuff that keeps your vehicle shifting and moving. One thing to remember about transmission fluid is that it depends on the vehicle and the year. What Honda recommends for a sedan may not be what Chrysler recommends. What Honda says for a sedan may not be the same for a Honda SUV, and what is true for an electric car may not be the same for a gasoline or hybrid one. Now, a standard transmission uses something different than an automatic transmission. Some vehicles have a lifetime fill that doesn't need to be checked for 200,000+ kilometers. Others should be changed every 30,000. You're safe for the first 60, after that have it checked every 30. This is why you should bring your vehicle into a dealership like Midtown Honda, where we know your vehicle best. What is transmission fluid? To begin, the transmission is a part of your vehicle that makes it move as well as change gears. If your vehicle has a 4-speed transmission, that means that the gears shift through 1 through 4. This does not usually include reverse or drive-on automatic transmissions. Transmission fluid is usually pink or red, so if you see this on the ground under the vehicle, you need to get it checked. Normally, transmission fluid doesn't need to be changed as often as engine oil. It does still need to be checked routinely though. If your transmission fluid is old or not working properly, it will cause problems with the system. It might make it harder to shift gears or ruin the system because the lubrication of the system will be contaminated. A transmission flush doesn't cost a whole lot. It can greatly improve the system. Make an appointment online or by phone at Midtown Honda. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you for your next visit.